In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work all three heads of your shoulders whilst on one leg to also incorporate some balance and proprioception into the exercise. So if you're somebody that wants a movement that's going to work the front, back and side of your shoulder, as well as a little bit of trunk activation and single leg stability work, this is the exercise for you. So what we're going to do, and I'll show you without a dumbbell first, is you're going to be hip width apart. You're going to come onto one leg, and once you're in that position, you're going to come up firstly into a lateral raise, then you're going to come into a frontal position with the hands back to where you started, that finished position of the lateral raise, and then back down. Now, when you do all of these movements, what I want you to ensure is that you've got a soft elbow. So a lot of the time someone will say to me, well, what does that mean? So I want you to stand completely relaxed. In a relaxed position standing, you'll notice that you should be able to lock out the elbows more than the relaxed position of your arm. So this would be a soft elbow, and that would be a locked out elbow. And we're keeping the soft elbow position when we come out for that lateral raise. We also keep it when we come in and back out and complete our repetition. Okay, so that is what we mean by a soft elbow. Now from here, I'm going to pick which side I'm going to do my single leg balance on. So I'll do it on my left. I'm then going to bring my right leg away from the position of my body. So I'm bringing my heel back. From this position, I'm going to come up, in, out, down. And when I do that, that's one repetition. Now what you can do is you can alternate. So you can go onto the other side and do another repetition, or you can do all your reps on one side and then repeat on the opposing side. Now, the only other cue to go through is in terms of the lateral raise position, if you're somebody with rounded shoulders, the first thing I would want you to do before you even start the lateral raise is to bring your shoulders back and your chest up. The position of my lateral raise, you'll notice the dumbbell is in front of my body, but my elbow is in line with my shoulder. So I'm looking to bring that elbow in line with shoulder as I come up and do that first part of the motion. Once the elbow is in line with shoulder and I'm on one leg, you then repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That's how to do a combination exercise to work all heads of your shoulder as well as your proprioception and balance.